when your masculine energy took over. Hello, my love. You do not need to see me, you need to hear me. Take a breath with me and feel your shoulders relax. Today we're talking about something most women don't realize until it's too late. What happens when your masculine energy takes over? There's a woman I know. Maybe she's a lot like you. She's capable, responsible, the one everyone leans on. Her calendar is full, her goals are met, her image looks steady, but inside, she's tired. She's tired of carrying it all. The home, the emotions, the plans, the peace. She's tired of having to be what no one ever was for her. And one day she wakes up realizing she hasn't felt soft in years. She doesn't remember the last time she leaned back, the last time she felt safe enough to just breathe. That's what happens when your masculine energy takes over. It starts as protection and ends as a prison. See, most of us didn't choose it. We were built for softness, but forced into survival. We became the strong one because someone had to be. And strength served us. It got us here. But over time, the same armor starts to steal our joy. We start managing love instead of feeling it. We start scheduling affection like an errand. We start equating rest with laziness. And that's the lie, my love. Rest is not weakness, softness is not surrender, and control is not the same as safety. Change happens when you stop trying to do everything and start allowing yourself to be again. When you stop proving you can handle it all and start remembering that you were never meant to. You begin to notice the small things, how your jaw unclenches when you stop leading every conversation, how your shoulders drop when you don't need the last word, how your heart softens when you realize peace is power. This is what healing your masculine looks like. It's not about losing your fire, it's about learning when to let it rest. Your feminine framework. Voice. Speak slower. Let your words breathe. Silence isn't weakness, it's grace. Safety. Build internal calm so you no longer need to control your surroundings. Safety starts in the body before it ever shows up in a man. Surrender. Let yourself be guided sometimes. Let someone else lead. Let life surprise you. Softness. Replace the tightness with trust. Let love approach without fear of what it might take from you. And finally, self-trust. Believe that you're safe even when you're not in charge. The right people will never require you to exhaust yourself to be loved. Say this with me. I can rest without losing power. I can receive without guilt. I am safe in my stillness. I am powerful in my peace. So listen, my love. I know you've carried everything because no one else could. And I know what it feels like to finally put the armor down and realize you don't know who you are without it. But you don't have to choose between strong and soft. You are both. You've always been both. It's time to come home to that. So if you're ready to stop surviving your strength and start living your softness, come listen to the full Feminine Voice series on YouTube. Because you deserve a kind of love that doesn't ask you to fight for peace. Love is hard, my love, but I know you still believe in it because I do too. And I want that kind of love for you. The one that finally feels safe to stay.